Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and power levels so transfers won't fail mid-process. Connect only once you've enabled file transfer mode on mobile or set the computer to accept incoming devices. This lets the systems negotiate permissions. Insert the cable firmly into both ports and make sure the receiving device is unlocked. By doing this first, you reduce permission errors and let the operating systems detect the cable and mount the storage quickly and reliably. Once done connecting and both devices are visible, open each file manager so you can control source and destination at once. Select items consciously, large folders versus individual files, to maintain structure and avoid duplicates. Dragging preserves hierarchy while copy-paste gives control over overwrite prompts. Watch transfer progress and estimated time. If speeds drop, try a different USB port or a shorter cable because cable quality affects throughput. Make sure you finish by verifying files open correctly and then safely ejecting the device to flush write caches. This prevents data loss. If a file won't open, compare file sizes and timestamps to spot corruption and try copying that file alone. If transfers consistently fail, swap the cable, test another USB port, or reboot both devices because transient driver or power negotiation issues are common. One key troubleshooting tip: try transferring a small test file to isolate whether the problem is cable, port, software, or file-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.